Hello, today I'm going to share with you this Christmas tree ornament organizer by TreeKeeper. This is something that I've wanted for a long time now as far as storing my Christmas ornaments. My kids get ornaments every year from their great-grandmother, and I wanted a way to store them safely without them breaking in storage from year to year. So follow along as I set this up and I will show you all the features about it. It does come with some handy instructions. You're definitely going to want to look at these. Once I've separated all the different pieces, I then start by putting the trays together. I add the base layer first and then add the little dividers. This little side I just showed you matches up with the middle as it has Velcro to hold it together. Here's what I mean by Velcro. This will keep the dividers from sliding around. I am now setting up the metal frame. You can see it right here and here. I'm not gonna lie, that was actually really hard to put together. I don't think it's supposed to be. For whatever reason, it was hard for me to put together, putting these bars into these cylinders right here. But they're in there. I should not have to do that again. And now it's all set up to put these ornament trays in. And then you make sure you put this board on top, tucking it inside the corners, and then zip it right up. I love these handles here on the side as they flip up for easy carry. There's also this really nice pocket here in the front. This would be ideal for storing like extra wires for lights, some little beaded garland or little pendants or something would work well there. And there you have it. This is TreeKeeper's Christmas tree ornament organizational box with 3 trays. Each tray holds 24 ornaments, which equals to 72 ornaments in all. Like I've already said, I like these handles here on the side, but they also have these fabric handles as well. I also like how you can label this. So if it goes to a specific tree for a specific room, or there's certain types of ornaments, whatever the case may be, you can organize it and have it labeled and know exactly what they are. Real quick, before you go, if you have watched this video and decided that this product is a good fit for what you're looking for, be sure to check the description below and you will find a link that will direct you straight to the product. All right, bye.